Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari. I hope you all are well. Today I provide 350 plus Instagram story template. Here you see we divide it into different parts. Part 1 architecture, vivid color, creativity, and this again creativity, Valentine Day, Father Day, gym, hamburger, ice cream, special offer and varied. In architecture we have 15 files, and in vivid color we have 61 files. In creativity we have 7 items, same like it. In this creativity we have 28 items, and in Valentine Day we have 6 items. In Father Day we have 10 items. In gym we have 5, and in hamburger we have 24. Here's some preview of them. In ice cream we have 11 template. Here you see their preview, and in special offer we have 50 item. In varied we have 125 item. For example, I open it. Now you see many layer. In layer area you can add any layer according to your own choice. If you want to replace text, simply go to toolbar and select the text and replace the text that you want. Same like it, you can add any of this template. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.